All right, this is Mark with Blue Line Auto, and we got this 2009 Lexus GX 470 in, and the door ajar emblem, obviously the door is ajar now, on the vehicle, it's always on. So this may or may not be for a fix for your vehicle. I went around, checked all the doors, and didn't fix anything, but went around to the back, and also I got this message. Anytime you go to put it in reverse to use the backup camera, the display would say the back door is open. So that's where I knew my problem was. So if you've experienced this, this may be your fix. So moving on to the chart here, I can put a picture of this into the video. But what you got here is the rear door assembly, the parts diagram, and if you will look, get it in the light, if you look here, when I open up the back door, got your rear stopper. Here's your pressure sensor that tells the door whether it's closed or open. I look back here, it's missing. So, went to the Lexus dealer, and there it is, back door stopper. It's 67282-60010. And let's see if this fixes it. Take it. It's got there we go. It's got some barbs on one side. So let's see if we can get it to pop in there. All right. Shutter. Look at that. We got no door jar, and I know this is flashing, but it's not in real life. It's just the camera. Now the real test. Look at that. We got